something has confused me, so that's why I'm a bit confused. I was going to check out Pepper's school because I've not decided yet where exactly. Anyway, guys, I just go for the move. So welcome to another vlog. I explained to you guys as we go because I'm late. I'm going to the bank. Yesterday I was
looking for a card.
Yeah, I told Pepper as we were just getting some sun from the rooftop. I told Pepper atia nilete my bag. So when she brought the bag, I wanted my card, my ATM card. Is it called a credit card or a debit card? No, credit. No, whatever. So sisi huko tunanga hizo debit sana sana tunakwanga. You have to have the money in the account. Want chapo? Pepper wants chapo. She eats chapo every day when you're going for evening walks. Now today you're going to eat. So
I'm going to eat sushi.
So I don't know. It's like I just left it there and someone picked it. And excuse me, why would someone pick it and it has my details on it? You can always. It's not like it is on the street.
Sorry.
So I can't of course survive without an ATM card. But most importantly, we have to go block it because siku hizi kumedhoka. Nowadays it's crazy. These young guys have the ways of just acquiring your money, and it's late, so the banks are about to close, so I'm rushing. That happened like 2 days ago.
Sorry.
Yeah, we were just there. I wasn't feeling so... I was down. That day there was no power in the house, so we were just there getting some sun. We didn't have power like for 2 days. Not 2 days, like a whole day. So it's like the night and the day. So my phone was off. We were just chilling outside waiting for the power to come. Can you imagine? Now I don't have my card.
Sorry.
And then, how did I leave it there?
Sorry, Mama.
Oh, where did we put it?
Someone take it for you. Sorry, Mama.
It's okay. Why didn't you remind me? And you always remind me. You're so responsible. Pepper always reminds me, but I don't know what happened that day.
Sorry.
So anyway, first we go to the bank. We do that. And then after that, we'll know what we're going to do because now the whole schedule is a bit everywhere. But anyway, in this vlog, I think we're still going to travel. We are going back to Diani for business. And
the purple juice.
With the purple juice. We will show you guys packing. This vlog will just be packing to Apeleke SGR as usual. Yeah, that's our place.
That's our place in Idris.
At Idris.
It's Kababa.
Kababa. Idris Kababa.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, this is a new vlog. Welcome to a new vlog. And it is not starting so well, but we hope it is gonna end in a good way. So let's see.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons.
Come here. Guys, this is toy market. Tunajaribu kuhepa jam hivi. Kwani siku hizi been away for a long time.
Only you feel on my body.
Go there, take for you a photo.
Only you feel my body. I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
Say my vlog has to be.
I find why I give you what you need. I know what.
Kai, hii bureau ilifungangwa. Pepper has brought me here straight from the bank, and I don't have Kenyan shillings, and I thought here they had that exchanging forex bureau, but gosh, there is no forex bureau here. So which one do you want? So Pepper wants sweet. I know what she wants. Pepper, here, there, down here. Look, they even have this one for strawberry.
Strawberry, strawberry.
Cherry. This is cherry, not strawberry.
Cherry.
Anyway, okay, then we take that one, we go. See, we go eat sushi. Guys, I have an expensive girl over here. So, now she wants to eat sushi. And there is that mall next year. I think they have that changing. Maybe they have the word for me. I'm even confused. I've seen books here. I'm confused. They love books nowadays. Marriage is a scam. Kuna book inaitwa Marriage is a Scam. Anyway, guys. So mimi nimesema hivyo. By the way, for real, it's there. Let me show you. Mnaweza fikiria ni single mom analete tu jeuri hapa. I don't even know why it caught my attention. The grace of giving, growing in faith, integrity, and community. Wow, that's nice. They have nice books. Anyway, we didn't come to look for books today. We ain't doing that today because I don't even have Kenyan shillings. Hey, hebu acha niangalia madola zangu. Pepper, you have to pay for it and then you open. So there is a mall next year. Like, I don't even know why today everything is not going the right way. Because tell me why there is no forex bureau in this whole damn mall. So my ATM got first lost. Now I have to take another one, and then like it's just been, anyway, I don't want to complain. Wow, you know, I don't have even glasses in my house. These glasses are going for $195, the long ones at Naivas. Yeah, many. So I'm guessing all Naivas, they have them for now. Yeah, I'm doing this vlog on March 25th, and hopefully it's gonna be out by March 29, because I just want to go to Diani. So I said we are going to travel together, so we are traveling tomorrow. So let me go to the next mall and look for that, for the money. And then Pepper wants a tea, sushi. Expensive child. Sushi at 4 years, you know, sushi. My friend must be mad. Go there and put your sweet. So guys, we are taking a quick walk to the next mall. Wow, you're enjoying yourself. That's what. Come we go. ordered soju ama suju. I don't know. It's a Korean wine. Guys, nilikuwa na appetite but appetite imeisha. So the first sushi Pepper has eaten, ameweka kwa mdomo for 10 minutes, ikakuwa majimaji, ikaanza kudrip, naenda ameitisha sushi. Sijajua ni nini, but anakulanga hiyo sushi. But hata nikwambie, imeanza kudrip. I don't know guys. I don't know where am I. You know, guys, I'm trying to do a soft parenting thing. I don't think this soft parenting thing really works because Pepper has become naughty. Since I stopped beating her up, Pepper has become very naughty. Ati in the name of soft parenting, mtoto sijui atafanya nini. Nitakuwa na muunda kila siku, by the way. Na acha niwaambie, I've taken her to the toilet. Nimemgota. Venye hajaigotwa. Hata saizi amefura hapa, ni kama ako na black. Amempeleka mahali sijakuwa in a long time. Like, why everything is going wrong, but she's still trying to add on top of it. She has gotten the wrath. Nimemnyorosha mpaka ana scream huko kama mwenda. Hey guys, sometimes all you need is peace, but me I show real life here. Don't think when you see this restaurant vlogs that I'm happy, that I'm okay. In between there is some shit that I don't show you. Sasa uwezi enda mahali na mtoto akakupatia amani. Mtoto kwanza huyo aende shule. I have my own life to live now. I've given her 4 years of my life every day there for her. Now it's my time. Mpaka watu wananiambia nimezeeka. I look old. Yeah, I look old because I'm giving all the attention to this little rat and she can't see it. I'm telling you guys, kids.
This baby Pepper and my sister.
Wow. Hii ya pombe naijuanga hiyo ya pombe. Sitaki kukuwa mlevi. Hiyo siwezi kaweka kwa nyumba.
Wow.
This one is nice. God did it. What's the money? How much?
1700.
Mwisho 15.
Yeah.
So guys, tumezurura. We are back here. Somebody is eating her dinner. And I want to eat that sushi from the restaurant because Pepper didn't let me eat. what is happening inside the microwave. So, what's happening to this phone? I'm saying I'm back. We are warming the food from the restaurant. Yeah, the
And this.
prawns. And yeah, the prawns. And peppers, spaghetti. And then they have this sushi.
Wow! This one
So
is so
what
good. Not this one. This one is so good.
To do it.
Yes.
So that's what we want to eat. Oh. And then we sleep, man. I'm kind of tired. Not kind, I'm just not tired. I don't know. I'm just not in a good mood the way I am. I usually am. But maybe this.
Okay, what is it? What is it?
Hot. So what's up, guys?
Breakfast, guys.
Look there at the mirror. They can see you when you talk to the mirror. So guys,
So, guys.
surely. Hey, Peppa anaweza kakusinya. Peppa, what is it? Hey, today Peppa ananikera ama ni mimi niko almost having my periods. Anyway, let me answer this. So that's the Uber.
So, guys, the hope.
Let me give you an update when Peppa is playing, because where we are going, actually we are going at Jeffrey's. We usually go there for walks, evening walks. This one wants cupcake from I don't know what time. Yeah, Mama, we are buying for you cupcake. So,
Yay!
okay, keep quiet so that I can buy for you, okay? So, yeah, we're gonna be going to Jeffrey's. I know you guys thought it's gonna be a travel vlog, but nah, it's not a travel vlog. We're not traveling today. So I'll explain everything to you when we get there, when at least Peppa is doing her thing and I can talk peacefully, without the little monster.
You monster.
Little monster disturbing me.
Sorry.
It's okay, girl. It's okay.
Okay.
I know I'm your mama. So
Okay.
guys, this weekend is Eid. So it's a bit late. Ramadan is over. It's time to shake a leg. Yeah, shake a leg. So yeah, and schools are closing this week. Everything is happening this week. Oh, lovely. And people have been paid. It's end month. The energy is blossoming. The weather is not hot, not cool. It's not raining. Like, God. Yeah.
God.
Just Nairobi is just vibrant. So let's see what we have for this weekend. Today is Friday. So we're gonna be in Nairobi, and let me go explain why. Later. Let us go. That was the cab guy. Say later. See you later.
You see, yeah.
This is the outfit of the day, girls. This is how we look hey. Cheza kidogo, cheza. It's not photo, my love. It's a video.
Guys,
Okay, what? people are walking and it's cold, but people are walking. So guys, Victor freeze. Run, mama, run. Be careful, don't falling. So guys, it's a bit chilly. Thank God I decided to wear this jacket on top of the outfit. Peppa, are you feeling cold?
No.
Good girl. So Peppa, I'm going to take her to the play area. At Jeffries they have a play area for kids. And then I come and take a serious walk where I'm gonna sweat it out. Yeah. And then later, I know Peppa will want to, of course, have some KFC. You know, I'm facing the wrong side. It was this side. By the way, it's a bit chilly. Run. Anyway guys, that's how we usually spend our Fridays most of the time. Yeah, just healthy way, being outside and free from spending. Yeah, here it's absolutely free. Being here, you enter is for free and you do the activities for free. I don't know if these other activities are for free. They have tennis. Let me show you. Monster. Is it a monster? Hi, kitty cat.
Hi,
Ate?
wow, this donut here.
You want this one?
Yes, the purple one.
That's pink or purple, Mama? That's pink.
I want pink.
Peppa, look, nobody's removing their shoes right now. It's cold down. You can't. Today it's cold. It's not happening as usual, or is it because it's still Ramadan? Most people who come here are Muslims. So you don't want donut? Peppa has asked. Okay, I keep it for you. Okay, go run, but don't remove your shoes. Okay. So since Ramadan started, I have not come here, but it's like when it's Ramadan, this place is deadish, because the last time I was here was on a Friday and it was so nice. Today it's a bit empty. I don't know, maybe it's the weather, I don't know. Anyway, whatever the case is, you're just gonna chill here. At least you're out of the house. So I was supposed to tell you why we didn't travel. What? The reason why we are not traveling this weekend is because it's end month. Eid is just right, like it's gonna be on Monday or Tuesday, and today it's Friday, so automatically it means I have bookings. My place is fully booked. So why am I going to Diani if my place is fully booked? There's no need. So time for making money, I make money because I need the money. Yeah, I need the money. We are paying school fees and all that. We need the money. We have priorities here. So what I'm thinking is I just needed to I'll go when I don't have clients, when I don't have guests, and it's the right time. It's when I'll go. But now it doesn't make sense. I go, I take another place because my place is occupied. I pay for the other place. No, it's not economical. So we're not gonna be traveling. We will travel. I wanted to go before before schools close, but it's not going to be possible. So it means I might travel way after schools have opened, one of the weekends, because my little girl will be going to school. So I'm not free to go anywhere and everywhere I want.
It's so expensive,
I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with loose women. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I got me, myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and that's all I got.
Is yours or mine?
That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that
Pepper is forcing me to go KFC every day. She only eats chips. Today, look, Burger King have place for playing. Look, this might save me. Look.
on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right.
Yeah, you will go with it to the house. Burger King. Guys, you have come to eat something.
Something.
Pepper only eats chips, and she wanted KFC chips, but I've seen Burger King next year, so I decided to enter and just see what they're about. Like tunakulanga KFC all the time, and then they have a play area over there. Go inside, is for children, not for me. So Pepper can play while we're waiting for the food. And then that walk. The walk still risky. So for me, I wanted to try their chicken wings. Who did I see saying the chicken wings at Burger King's lab? Who? I don't remember, but I was watching a vlog and they were like, King Burgers wings really slap. So let's see. It's a Friday night, so it's lit out there. Oh, I'm tired of sleeping. Do you enjoy Burger King? Okay, come we go. So guys, we're going home. It's time. We just got home and it's raining.
No, we can't go to.
So basically, this is what we have brought from the supermarket.
And this one?
Blonde, Cripsy, Salanova.
And this one?
And okay, Pepper wants us to talk about the tortilla wraps. She has told me to buy these tortilla wraps. And yeah, to my salad with this. This is the milk I use. This one will last me like for half a month, and I take tea every day, 2 times a day. It's very convenient.
Yes, and I get it for me.
This is just for paper.
When I'm so.
And our leftover burger cake. That's all.
Burger King.
So now it's time to get into our nightie and just have a nice time sleeping, because it's raining already. Friday evening, night actually, not evening. It's like I'm having a cold. I don't know, is it a cold or what? Tell people, see you tomorrow. Good night. Wow.
I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Fuck they gon' say now. I'm watching these bitches, I'm up in a stain now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I use the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him ripped. It ain't over with, being Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a can. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Today the weather has been tricky, so we've just been in the house. So guys, we've just been in the house. So I'm saying, guys, we've just been in the house, indoors, chilling. But Pepper, you went out, Cindy?
Yes, it was raining.
And then when it rained, she came back.
Yes, it's ready for myself, and then I got to come to the house, and then I knocked on the door.
You knock. Yeah, good girl. And then you find mommy inside.
Yes.
So now it's just, when it's cold, you know, it's all about just eating and just chilling. What do you want to eat?
Vegetables too.
Eh?
I'm going to eat vegetables.
Atisa?
Vegetables.
Vegetables, yeah, we're making salad, but before the salad, we'll be making the what?
And chapati and salad and chapati.
Okay, eat chapati and salad.
Yes.
So before that, I'm making some tea and some toast, toast mayai. So yeah, let's do that.
Dreaming
Peppa, are you happy? Shosho has brought for us pizza, imagine guys, at usiku wa manane, and chips. Now we're going to make that salad. Auntie, unaona nilipata nini? Nilipata hizi zikiwa whole. Next time we are doing the natural way. Kuzaa wewe. Not a joke.
So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Say I am looking for her sister, your mama love her. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for her sister, show mama love her.
Oh God.
Just like me,
It's raining heavily here. So good night guys, we see you tomorrow. I don't know, the whole weekend I heard it's going to be raining. So anyway, it's okay. We're just chilling at home watching movies. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Have a good night. So guys, it's the next day. It's about to be sunset. Almost sunset time. And yeah, we have just been in the house the whole day. We actually been in the house the whole day. Not Peppa. Peppa is down. I just finished doing a sit down video. So I've just finished doing a sit down video right now. Hey guys, najaribu tu. Pani kujaribu. So now it's evening. I want to have some tea and some chapatis I bought during lunchtime. We had chips. How come I didn't show you that? We had some lunch. Yeah, and then now tea and then evening routine. But we have already showered. I showered and put on the same nighty dress because I was doing the routine for egg. So it's dirty now, I have to change it. So I'll change. But today is Sunday, tomorrow now is officially the public holiday for Ramadan. I'm happy I've done that video. Peppa is outside playing. Let me show you guys.
When money and love is sweet, Peppa that story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away. Say I am looking for her sister, your mama love her. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for her sister, show mama love her. She said give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance.
So she's been out like from 2 o'clock. Right now it's 10:30. Can play the whole day. Schools are closed now. Peppa will always be outside. When schools are closed, now schools are closed, so Peppa will always be outside. I will be giving you a lot of motion. Videos in I come through. This is all I needed, time, you know. Time to do my craft. Peppa now can play. So let me go take some tea as I edit this video. Wow. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that, Mama Sarah. Sunset here, crazy.
calling it home. Till I make you come and go far away, far away. Say I'm looking for a sister. Show my love. She ain't that she could cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister. Show my lover. Yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance. I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby assurance. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sport check.
There's nothing that I love like the combo chapati and milk tea. Ginger turmeric tea, my favorite. You can call me a granny, but right now my weekend is made. This is all like I'm watching TV. Pepper is down. I've done a video. This is the best weekend for me. I like chilling by myself and doing my stuff. Na nimefanya paka skincare routine. I rarely do the skincare routine because you don't have time. But at night I'm going to suffer. I have clothes to wash. I have to go to my auntie's place first because the whole weekend we didn't see her. So we have to see her today. I will come from there because I'm already showered. I will just wash my clothes and call it a night. I will cook. Yeah, I have to cook also. I have to cook. Today I have to cook. Guys, tell me about being a mom. But right now, let me enjoy this. Okay? See you later, guys. Where are you going? Shosho's house. And it's raining.
I need your party. I want you. Stop. Making that your party.
Shosho stopped making the chapati. We did tell her to make chapati. Did you tell her? You can eat the one on the road. Your favorite. You want to Shosho to make you chapati? Babo.
Face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. You've seen all my mistakes. So look in my eyes. 'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Oh, it's been raining continuously. Still raining on Sunday. Oh my God. Like it's really the rainy season. We thank you God for the rain. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Have a good night, guys. We're going to sleep. See you on tomorrow, which is Eid. On Monday. Guys, what's up? It's the next day. Wow. Semeni homa kunikaba. And when I come here is when it gets worse, but Pepper has gone out to play. So I have to keep on checking on her this side here. So I can't just stay in the house, and that's what brought the flu at the first place, because of keeping on coming onto this roof. Today I'm feeling worse. I think I have a fever, but I've taken meds. I did a smoothie. Like today I haven't even vlogged, guys. So Pepper is outside playing. I just want to catch up with vlogs.
but yeah, even the whole night I edited the other video I did yesterday. So in the morning I slept at 3, woke up at 8, charged the phone, made the thumbnail. Like YouTube is not easy, but it's very doable. It just needs a lot of love and dedication. So yeah, I uploaded a story time. Later on, be editing a video. Today I'm not doing a lot. I'm not cooking. I already have food. I just made some fresh spaghettis. You remember the stew from yesterday? That's what you're going to eat. And I did the egg mask again. I love this egg mask. I wanted to do exercise here nikimbie ndio nione mata feel better, you know. These bodies, when they are feeling like they want to give up on you, that's when you make them run, you know. When you run, you get some energy, like it just boosts your energy somehow. I've taken moringa in my smoothie as usual. Of course, it boosts energy yangu na immunity. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll be fine, but this is now the holiday. I was thinking we were going to go somewhere, but we didn't. Yeah, that's it. Sometimes things don't go as you thought they were going to go, but yeah, it's okay. So I just chill, watch vlogs. Yeah, and I think this is the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video for me. I love you guys. Stay fly and stay blessed. Mwah.